how to fix your Twitter or X DMs not sending. So let's get straight into the video. So generally there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even try restarting your router. If that is not the case, you can simply go ahead and check if you can DM the user. If the user doesn't follow you and DMs are off, then you won't be able to send them messages. Or you could also check your DM message limit, because you may have reached your daily message limit. Wait 24 hours and try again. If your application is not up to date, you want to simply go to your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using and simply make sure that it is up to date. And if none of it works, you want to simply try restarting the application or your phone, or even uninstalling and reinstalling it back. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.